Welcome back to the channel, my people. It's all about a next video. In this video, it's all about the thyroid gland. Stick and stay to the channel. You will see what's coming next. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
What's up, my beautiful people? Up for the rise. It's all about health and wealth. Alright? Make sure them two something there is up. Alright? It's all about the thyroid gland. Alright? Everyone have been asking, yeah? There's a lot of person asking on TikTok, what about the thyroid gland? Do you have any video on it? Well, here comes the video. Alright? So yes, first thing first, when you have problem with your thyroid gland, it's all about you have a liver problem and a gallbladder problem. So those two problem have to fix, those two issues have to fix before your thyroid gland can be in good form. You know what I mean? In Jamaican term, because we are countryman, don't it? So I'm going to give it in patois. That we know about. Don't it? Yeah, man. That we know about. See? Alright. Yeah? The thyroid gland. Anytime it starts to give you a problem, you know, you have a liver malfunctioning, you have a gallbladder problem. And once you can solve those two issues, there's no more problem you have with the thyroid glands. Yeah? So listen up, the people. Naturally, this can cure naturally. All sickness of the human body can cure naturally. Naturally. Yeah? Remember, you have to sleep for your body to heal. If you don't sleep, your body can't heal. Alright? So even if you don't take any medication or you don't drink any herbs, once you sleep, your body can heal itself. Alright? So listen up. There are foods on the list you should not eat. Let me reframe myself. You should stay away from. In Jamaican term, you know fi eat it. No name the food there. Yes. Alright. I'm gonna give you a couple of those food that you should not eat when you're having a thyroid gland problem. Alright? First on the list, corn. Yeah, man, me no love put corn in the soup, don't it? No more corn, no hit no more corn. No hit no more corn. Make corn stay out for now. Alright? The second on the list, soy. Stay away from soy product. Yeah? Stay away from soy product. Third on the list, be careful of your salt intake. Be careful of your salt intake. Remember, when you're drinking herbs for certain problem, yeah, there are foods that you have to just get rid of. You have to change your diet. Yeah? So, too much salt intake, keep it low. Yeah. Alright. The next one on the list, cooking oil. Oh, no love gravy, so. You love gravy, man? You want 5 spoons of gravy and the liquor rice. My God. Too much gravy, too much grease. So you need to cut off all of that. The last one on the list. There are many more, but the last one on the list, caffeine. So you know anything with caffeine, soda, Pepsi, blub. Now call their name there. Get it out of the system. Once it having caffeine, get it out. The one there, get it out because it having caffeine. You know which one me yes, you know which one me the talk. Okay, families and friends, here comes the time to get the ingredients for the thyroid gland. Alright? So listen up now and listen keenly. Yeah. In the morning, a glass of warm water. Yeah? With lime juice in it. Listen carefully. I'm gonna put it on screen. I'm gonna put it right here. All the ingredients here. So yes, you guys can see what's going. Alright? Every morning, a glass of warm water with lime juice in it. If you don't have any lime juice, get a bottle of apple cider vinegar, the one with the yellow label on it. Apple cider vinegar. 1 spoon in the glass of water. Yeah? And drink it in the morning on empty stomach. In the evening, bedtime, you do the same thing. A glass of water, warm glass of water with lime juice in it. I mean the natural lime juice. Don't use the lime juice in the store. Natural lime. Cut a lime and squeeze into it. Yeah. Or 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar. The bottle with the yellow label. The bottle with the yellow label. 1 second, we get to go out a little bit. Yeah. Filtered water, you know. Jelly water I want to drink still, but so we're set up from day one. Alright now, my people. Yeah. In the morning, a glass of warm water with lime juice or a spoonful of apple cider vinegar in it. Yeah. So 1 in the morning and empty stomach. When you go to your bed, 1 more. Alright. Yes. The cure. This is the most important thing now. Yeah. This is the most important thing. A coconut. Blend a coconut. Get a jelly. Use the jelly water to blend a coconut. Yeah. The milk from the coconut. You're going to use a jelly. Blend the coconut. Yeah. Strain it off. That milk, it's going to be rich and thick because you use a jelly. There's no water added. Alright. You're going to put sea moss to soak overnight. So you need to get some sea moss. Get some sea moss. And if you eat the sea moss dry, it works wonders. Get some sea moss. Just a little bit of sea moss. You don't want a lot. You don't want a lot. Just a little sea moss. Yeah? You don't want a lot. Let me show you. This amount of sea moss will do the trick. This amount of sea moss will do the trick. Alright? Sea moss. Very expensive now, you know. Sea moss. Yeah? You're gonna soak it overnight. So in the morning you have it to blend with your coconut milk. Yeah? So you're going to take the sea moss out of the water because it's going to swell. Put it into the blender. Throw the milk on it. Blend it. And you can sweeten it with honey. You can put in a ripe banana into it because the ripe banana is good for the thyroid gland. Okay? So you're going to, if you want to sweeten it, you know, you can use honey and ripe banana to sweeten it. You can put in your spice, your vanilla, nutmeg. Yeah? If you want it spicy. Yeah. And you continue to drink that. You can drink that right through the day. Yeah. Yeah. If you do that for 9 morning, yeah, You can ease for 3 days and then go back on it. Your thyroid gland will be perfect, in perfect shape, kicking in perfect shape, kicking like a young goat. Boo! You understand? Yeah, man, it's all about the natural cure. Don't forget, me people, to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yeah. Blessed love, my people. And I will see you in the next video.